Market is on fuck around and find out mode this morning. We had some decent data, but the market isn't really reacting based on it right now. I admit there might be some Credit Suisse nonsense that is driving this move down here, but we had an absolute face ripper towards the day yesterday here on the 5-minute, all the way down from 387 up to 392. And then we just lost all of those gains in the pre-market here. But all right, guys, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. Welcome back to Print City. Again, you guys know what we're about to do to the market today, as we usually do. Woo! This is going to be a fun day. How we doing, everybody? How we doing? How we doing, team? Good morning, Eli. Kenny. Oh, Kenny, what's up, buddy? How you doing? H Diamonds, Daily Taylor, John. Here we go, team. Let's get after it today. Markets. Ooh, here comes the SPY lower. All right, team. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. And remember, little bit of housekeeping before we actually get into some of these charts here. Everybody gets 90% off their first month of the Trade 1348 platform, the best retail trading platform on the face of the planet. I mean, again, guys, you've seen the success of our members. You want to hop in and continuously print money in the market? Awesome. You want to keep losing money and following those other morons? By all means, have fun pissing your money away. But again, guys, all the algorithms, all the live streams, all the curriculum videos, everything, 90% off your first month using code PRINTCITY right here. And make sure you guys are upgrading to the 3-year before the end of the month, before the prices drastically increase. You can get all the new streams, live masterclasses, beta access to all the new products. If you do want that, just reach out to Diana and she will help you get in there. But team, we got another very interesting day ahead. How we doing? How we doing? Looks like the SPY woke up and this morning and said, fuck this, I'm going back to bed. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. Let's see. Let's see what we get today. Futures ripping? Are they? Are they, though? Where's the S? Hold on. No, futures are not ripping, Eli. TLT time? Oh, where is it? Where is it this morning? Is it flying around? Ah, hi TLT. Hi TLT. Not yet. Well, I mean, you just got this retest here. It's bouncing back up. It just rejected off this 200 EMA. We'll see. Hold on. Hold your horses. Hold on. Let's see. How did PPI go? It was way better than expected, dude. It was way better than expected. So if you look at the PPI data, it was, let me pull this back up. Where is it? February was negative 0.1 versus 0.7 previous, an estimated 0.3. Year over year was 4.6 versus 6 previous, estimated 5.4. Retail sales was down though, versus 3%, estimated negative 0.4. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see. It'll be revised downward in a couple months. Market's figuring it out. Yeah. Let's see here. Hold on. I'm answering a lot of we're working on stuff over here too. We're always working. All right, let's see. Bond market may crash very soon. The bonds could freak out a little bit. Got your 3-year master paid for and set up last night. JJ Nickel, welcome, buddy. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing that live stream with you guys tonight. Make sure you guys are ready for that one. It's gonna be happening at 6 p.m. Eastern. So again, that's for all the 3 years and lifetimers. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's see. All right, guys. Ooh, we're 5 likes away from 50. Thank you, team. Ten-year looks scary on the weekly. TLT looks interesting. I mean, I don't know about looking at the 10-year on the weekly. TLT's rocking. I mean, it did get that retest. Let's see. Hold on. Hold on. Let's see. Yeah, Spy's trying to move back up here. Let's see. Hold on. Anders, what's up, buddy? How you doing? What's the announcement on Speed Racer? Did we announce it yet or no? Oh, I mean, I can tell you what it is. It's what do you call it? We're adding some tickers in there. We're adding some more tickers to Speed Racer. Let's see. Anders, welcome back, dude. Welcome back, team. But why market death? There might be something going on with Credit Suisse, but overall, this didn't make that much sense to me this morning when I saw it. Let me see if I can scroll back on the news feed. See if I can find it. Credit Suisse chair says government assistance isn't a topic for the bank. Yeah, I think it's Credit Suisse stuff. Inflation more likely to stay closer to 3.5 to 4% over the next few years. Yeah, but see, here's the weird thing about this move. You're pricing in 40, it's a 43 point, now it's 43.9% probability of no rate hike next week. So why is the market tanking? I mean, again, it would make sense pivot, but like the last time we saw this shift, the market's ripped. Credit Suisse 5-year credit default swaps hit new record high. That's probably it there. Huh. This is getting really weird. European banks got hit hard. That could definitely be what it is. It could just be more banking spillover. Let's see. Saudi said they won't back Credit Suisse. Okay, that's interesting. That could be it. That could definitely be it. I mean, that was the first thing that popped on the feed that I was like, yeah, that could definitely be it. Let's see. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Hold on. Why is AMC down 15%? Makes complete sense with that vote. Makes no sense to continue holding that thing. But again, do what you want. I've warned you guys so many times about what was going to happen with that thing. But here we go, team. We got 35 minutes until open. Keep smacking that like on the way in. We got TLT. What's this doing still? Running. TLT up 2. Where's Nancy? That's on the 5-minute. Okay. Good morning, SVN team. Let's take advantage today. Let's get what's ours. Dude, that's what we do around here, guys. Again, it's so simple with these traffic lights. Just keep it simple. You don't need to overcomplicate anything. And like, again, don't stop letting all this other nonsense into your mind. Just traffic light to traffic light as your risk, good risk management, and you ride them out. It is so mind-numbingly simple. So again, if you guys do want these traffic lights, the only place to get them, again, is on our platform. We have the 1-minute traffic light alerts, 3 and the 5 daily and 4-hour for you guys. Again, QR codes on the screen. Make sure you guys are hopping in for over 90% off your first month. So there's a 43% chance that inflation is over. No. There's a 43% chance that the Fed won't hike rates anymore. That doesn't mean inflation is over. It just means that they may not be able to hike right now. Let's see. Let's see. The 380 put wall? That's a giant drop today. You need another $4. You need to have like an over $11 drop on the SPY today. That would be ridiculous. Almost 12. That would be a bit insane. That would be a bit insane. Let's see. SV got something cooking. I have a lot of shit cooking. I definitely have some shit cooking today. It appears SPY was murdered. It was murdered, then for a second it wasn't murdered. And then like yesterday, and then death. So we'll see. We're in for a lot of volatility, guys. That's kind of what it is here, which is going to be great for us trading these traffic lights. What's up with yields? People are flying into safety bonds, which TLT. Let's see here. Ooh, 30 likes away from 100. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. Let's see. I mean, looking at this here, 5 minutes not that cooked. That's the interesting part about this. Somehow this 5-minute rallied back to life. So it does still have more downside meat on the bone, which is interesting here. The bank situation, I can explain the SVB stuff. I'm going to create a little short form video for you guys about it. It'll make it super simple. It has to do with what they bought in sort of Dodd-Frank, but not really. What happened is that they bought a shitload of these government bonds. But when the Fed starts raising rates, the values of those bonds come down. Rates up, value of the bonds down. Under Dodd-Frank, what they could do is they didn't have to mark to market. So what they would do is they effectively could just use the basic, not the terminal value, but like the maturity value of the bond. So if they were buying 10-year bonds, the value of that bond can flicker in the time to in the time. It's basically a duration issue. So what happens is the bond values are going to flicker between now and maturity. But with Dodd-Frank, what they could do is they could just say, well, we're just going to hold it to maturity. So the value is actually the value that we bought it at. And we're just going to keep collecting the interest on it or the coupon payments. Without Dodd-Frank, they actually had to write them down. So when those bonds start to fall, it's going to show up on their balance sheet, which killed them. But again, if they knew that, which they should have, they would have just sold those bonds when they knew Powell was going to hike rates into oblivion and then bought something else. So that's sort of what happened. Where rates up, bond values down. Previously, you could just say, okay, well, at maturity, how are the AirPods connected? That makes no sense. At maturity, so let's do it like this. Let's say the par value of the bond is 100. So you're buying these bonds at 100. But what happens is that when these rates go up, the value of that bond that you bought is coming down. But at maturity, since it's technically risk-free, it's going to be back to 100. But without that provision in Dodd-Frank, you have to mark it down on your balance sheet in the time that you're holding it. So then if they come down significantly, they're taking massive losses when technically they also aren't. So honestly, if they just held it and were like, yeah, this is bullshit, we're just going to hold the maturity. I mean, you probably still would have had a bank run, but like the smart people would just be like, yeah, in 10 years. So they had bad risk management. Not net sort of. They sort of did, but also did. It's almost like this. It's almost like if you did it like this, if you sold a naked call, let's just think about it like this. This might make more sense to you guys. If you sold a naked call, an out of the money naked call, the intrinsic value of that option is 0. So technically, when you collect that premium, that's what it should be on expiration if things were going to stay the same. This is not a great example, but it's close enough. So when you're looking at it this way, let's say then that call option starts skyrocketing, but the contracts still aren't in the money. So technically, the intrinsic value of that bond is still, that option is still 0. So you could technically say on your balance sheet that you have that money, but you don't because the value of that option is now higher. So if you were to actually close that position, you'd get sparked. Let's see. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. Love it, dude. Let's see. Let's see, team. So that's kind of what happened. That's what happened with SVB, Silicon Valley Bank. There's like other shit that happened, obviously, but that's kind of the main reason that they were having issues. You saw they had to sell the bonds because they needed to raise money to fulfill the withdrawals from the big companies that couldn't raise money. Right, but when they sell the bonds, they're taking giant losses. So that will not affect people like us with over 200. If you have over 250K, you're only insured up to 250K. What is the longest you've seen a stock suspended? I'm waiting for your 50K from SPNY. Depends. I'm pretty sure Robinhood isn't paying out on the exercise of the puts. Well, TQQQ is definitely on Speed Racer. I know that. Let's see. You don't get Speed Racer in payment plan? Nope. You get Speed Racer in 3-year in lifetime, and then everybody else gets it, I believe, next week or the beginning of the week after. Do I play Home Depot much anymore? Sometimes. Not usually, though. Not usually. All right, guys, 11 likes away from 100. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that bank explanation. That's effectively what it was doing, or what they were doing, and how it got slapped. Overnight TLT call. I mean, I sold the TLTs that I had, the little scaling that I had. I didn't like it with what the market did yesterday. I mean, they would have been pretty much back to normal. Today, yeah, I mean, is what it is. I mean, I'll see. I kind of want to wait for another retest. I mean, we're going into hmm hmm. That could just be a size for 0-1. Let it go. Maybe they held too much AMC in the declining value, got them in trouble. Dude, these people, remember that dude yesterday was like, were you paid off? I'm like, bro, that's the, if I was, I wouldn't be fucking live streaming with you guys. All right, team. Let's see. I mean, Bold's buy prediction. My gut says up, but I don't usually trust my gut. I'm literally just going to continuously go off the traffic lights like I usually do. Keep it simple. Be reactive, not predictive. If you try to predict where the market's going to go, you're going to get sparked. Let's see. Can't fix stupid. No, you can't. That was the condition of the payoff. Oh, was it now? Was it now? Those fucking morons, bro. I hope to God all those people on Twitter on the other side of my trades most of the time. I mean, that like you are, I literally roam around Twitter sometimes and I'm like, I couldn't imagine approaching the market this way and actually putting money into the market the way these people seemingly do. I couldn't imagine doing it. Let's see. But yeah, dude, I got that special live stream for you guys coming tonight for all you 3 years and lifetimers. Get ready for that. If you guys want in, reach out to Diana before the end of the day and you guys will get that link. Did I have any issues with Webull yesterday? No. I was fine on Webull yesterday, but though you guys were having issues, which was weird. That's like 2 days where I have not had any issues and then you guys have. And then there was one day where I was having lots of issues with everybody else. I don't know. Maybe it's because I haven't updated my app. Do I consider the VIX when I trade? Nope. I look at traffic lights. That's all I keep it so simple, guys. There is no reason to overcomplicate stuff. What time am I coming on tonight? 6 p.m. Eastern. 6 Eastern. Home Depot? What's up with Home Depot? Why are you guys all curious about Home Depot this morning? Down 1.43, super low volume in the pre-market here. I mean, this thing could easily rally back up. That would be a pretty big move. If you look at this thing on the floor, again, I don't know what time frame you're looking at. This thing has been going off a cliff. Like, look at this. The traffic light up, traffic light down. You could have nailed this one. This traffic light here was nasty, but that was also earnings. I mean, it could easily come back up, but you're really just waiting to see what happens during market hours today. Weebill's glitchy lately. Yeah, it has to do with, what is it? It's called something. Omnibus. Is that it? Some conversion that they had to do. Wells Fargo. Is Wells Fargo getting killed again? Wells Fargo's up 4 yesterday, down 5 in the pre-market. Yeah, dude, these banks are incredibly volatile. Jesus. You threw up in your mouth a little, Daniel? I would too. Omnibus conversion. Omnibus sounds like a fucking cloud. Daniel, if I was you and that was my brother, I'd slap him in the face. I'd be like, dumbass, that shit doesn't matter. Let's see. Good morning, everybody. Remember, everybody gets 90% off their first month to the platform. It's actually 93%. First month is $5. $5, team, to change your life. Let's see. Morning, all. Best wishes today. It's not luck to win. 100%, man. 100%. DM Ohio, it's good to see you back in here, buddy. E-mini down 1.9. Where's Tessie? Tessie could be really fun today. Same thing with Nancy. Nancy may be a little bit more fun. If it gets a sell-off open down to this level here, 234, it's a quick drop, bounce it right back up. That'd get interesting. Let's see. John, there you go, buddy. Oh, it's getting bright in here this morning. Oh my God, it's super bright. Holy shit. I'm in the omnibus, bro. I'm in the fucking cloud. Holy shit, it's getting bright this morning. Hello, sunshine. All right, let's see. We got 20 minutes until open. You may move over to TOS. Might be the last draw, costing $400 in profit on the trade yesterday. Ooh, interesting. Yeah, I haven't seen any issues with that. The only issue that I've seen on Webull is like delayed notifications of orders that you place or fills going through. That's the only thing that I've seen. Two-year yield falls 42 basis points to session low at 383. Dude, this is like TLT central here. I mean, the thing is about TLT, it loves to do this in the pre-market and then sell off during the day. So until it breaks, I mean, it could easily just make these big moves up and then slow bleed out throughout the day. SV, yesterday was my second best trading day I've ever had. Made 5 months of your old salary. Marcus, you fucking animal. Dude, I love seeing you guys win. Again, that's what we do over here, guys. I mean, I don't know what you're doing if you're not traded with the traffic lights yet. We make the barrier to entry so low for everybody. I'll throw the link in the live chat for you guys. Again, the QR code is on the screen. It's literally $5 for your first month. And Marcus made 5 months of his old salary in a day. I don't even want to tell you what Kenny's at right now with his $100 portfolio. He's gonna give us the go ahead on Friday to do that, but it's thousands of percent on his account. It's fucking awesome what you guys are able to do. And shout out to all you new members as well. I mean, you guys have been flooding in. The thousands of people that are already using this, having success. Make sure you guys are hopping in, dude. I mean, again, when are we wrong? That's the thing I want you guys to think about. When have we been wrong? Very, very, very rarely. We nail these moves, guys. We give you guys the best tools. It's up to you to take advantage of them. Let's see. Let's see what we're gonna get. Running late. How's the market this morning? Oh, it's selling pretty aggressively this morning. I mean, it's been consolidating down here. You throw this on the 5-minute, you've just seen a little consolidation in here, but we'll see. We'll see what happens at open. 61% on the month so far, just crossed the 10,000% mark on the lifetime P&L. That is filthy. What speed racer? It's the 1-minute traffic light alerts. The pearl necklace, you have unanswered questions. What questions? Hit 235% on SPY yesterday. Attaboy, Chip. Dude, I mean, again, that's these two moves on the traffic lights down. This one, nasty. This one, nasty. This one up, nasty. This one down, nasty. This one up, nasty. I don't know what the fuck you're doing without them, dude. Luke Slowwalker. What's up, man? How you doing? How are you doing? Hopefully you guys are having a good morning so far. This is going to get fun. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. I mean, you're just in traffic light central right here. Credit Suisse down 30%. Jesus. Credit Suisse bonds plummet. Additional tier $1 denominated bonds down 23 cents. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, this SPY move is Credit Suisse. That's what this is. It's just fucking Credit Suisse. Usually not a good sign. Yeah, Daily Taylor. And I saw people that were trying to like cherry pick data and be like, no, reverse splits are fine. And it's like, no. Reverse splits are historically horrendous. And then they're like, well, the reason for this one's different. It's like, well, the reason's also admitting that they fucked it up. So good luck with that. Morning, Jack. I was 20 for 20 on scalps yesterday. Holy shit, Rob. Congratulations, buddy. That's a lot of trades, but there you go. There you go, dude. I mean, didn't we see some shit like this with Credit Suisse in the past? With their CDSs? Interest rate futures now priced in a 60% chance of ECB raising rates by 25 basis points on Thursday. So the ECB is going to have their meeting, European Central Bank, on Thursday. So tomorrow. Let's see here. This is going to be wild today, team. I hope you guys are ready. This is going to be wild. ECB had previously committed to a 50 hike. That's actually news. Yeah, but they might go zero because of the European banks getting killed. If they keep raising rates on these banks, here's the problem of what's happened. Okay, so basically what you can look at with these banks right now is that if they were all buying these government bonds and they now have to report these drawdowns in the value of these bonds, what they effectively were doing was just going on tilt, averaging down, dip buying into oblivion with no risk management, thinking that eventually the values of these bonds were going to come back up, even though they know that rates are going to continuously going up. You know how they fucking know? Because they're the ones making the fucking projections on where rates are going to go. So they knew. Do you guys realize how fucking wild that is? They're the ones that tell us where they think rates are going to go. They all set up. So if they're all holding bonds that are going to go down in value and they know they have to report them, that's basically like committing you know what. It's like unaliving. They're just like, yeah, whatever. Bonds are going to tank. We're going to just take the loss. Really? They're like, it's risk-free. It's like, nah, if you have to report the drawdown in the bonds, you dumbass. These people are just so dumb. This is why I've said this before and I will say it again. These large money institutional managers are not as smart as you guys think they are. They just aren't. They're good at one or two things. They're not smart enough to be. They're not like they're like the fucking puppet masters. That's not them. That's crazy. It's crazy, bro. They're using other people's money so they don't care much. Yeah, but they do care. That's the thing. They have to care. How high they can pump earnings and share price. Here's the thing, though. If that's what their bonuses are dependent upon, they would have sold the bonds before. Remember Tina? Guys, you remember this conversation about Tina? We all knew. We all knew that this was going to happen to bonds. Tina, there is no alternative anymore. We all knew it. How did they not? How, like, seriously, we all knew. I made like 17 million videos on Tina. They had to sell those. The thing about Tina is that Tina died, so there is no alternative. There is an alternative. It's bonds. But the problem is that they were all holding them before, so all those bonds get killed. So they had to sell and reposition. They don't watch your videos? They fucking should, bro. So here's effectively what I mean by Tina. So when I say Tina, there is no alternative. What you could effectively say is that the yields that bonds were giving in the past made it a really stupid decision for anybody to come in and buy bonds over equities because the risk to reward made more sense to go into the stock market. When rates started climbing, that makes less sense because, well, bond yields are going to go up and bond prices are going to go down. Okay. If you're holding a shitload of bonds and you know that you have to report the drawdowns on it, and you know that people are going to start like either selling these bonds or yields are going to start going up and the bond market is going to freak out, you're basically just YOLOing and thinking, it'll probably be okay. But that's not what happened, obviously. It's crazy behavior, bro. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in over here. We are 30 away from 150. Make sure everybody's hopping in for 93% off your first month. The QR code is on the screen. I'll throw that link in the live chat again. If you want to stop getting led to the slaughter by morons who don't know what they're talking about, come in with us, dude. You see the gains that people are making? Aren't you curious as to why and how? I mean, a lot of and again, you can look back on a lot of these situations and be like, this was so preventable. I mean, it was. All they had to do was just sell the damn bonds, stay cash, just hold the damn cash. Truly no other alternative if you have to have money invested. Yeah, that's the other thing. They almost have to have it in somewhere. The problem is though, is that like, what are they gonna? Yeah, they're getting the coupon payments, but if the repealing of Dodd-Frank is gonna make them report anyway, it's like, well, L take. Okay, you explain it then, since you're so smart. Since you're so smart and you just are saying, nah, wrong. Let's provide some actual ideas because that's exactly what happened. Let's see. Have further increased underweight in equities and raising our cash allocation in the wake of market distress. That's what they all should have done in the fucking first place. Like, good on JP Morgan. JP Morgan have further increased underweight in equities versus raising our cash allocation in the wake of market distress. That's what they should have done the first time. They can't sell. They price in 100% balance sheet. If they sell, they lose book value. That's exactly what I said, but they have to report it now. So they should have sold. You're not making any sense. They can't sell. Right. So they priced in 100% on the balance sheet, but they can't do that anymore. Like, that's not allowed. You have to actually write down those bonds when they lose value now on the balance sheet. So either way, they're fucked. They should have just sold them when cash or found a different investment. That's exactly what I said. You're just looking at it slightly wrong. Which they all should have known, because when Dodd-Frank goes away, they have to report it. Let's see. All right, 6 minutes until open. Done with this body, get ready for a bounce up. I mean, this is kind of off a credit squeeze here, so let's see what happens at open. Where's TLT? TLT is still ripping here. Where's this thing at? Oh, cool. Crowd moves a lot. I was looking at that the other day. I was like, Jesus, this thing moves a lot. Does Tina have an OnlyFans? She's going to need one. She's going to need one. Let's see. Last Pal Talk was all about bank capitalization. The writing was on the wall. Yeah, I mean, I've heard of people knowing about SVB since like last November. They shouldn't say anything publicly about it. SPY premium is way high right now. I mean, you don't know that until market open. Good morning. Joined the lifetime payment plan yesterday. Been watching the masterclass replays. Great information. Looking forward to applying it. There we go, Chris. Again, guys, you want a lifetime payment plan or 3-year. Make sure you guys reach out to Diana before the end of the day to lock in your price. Again, 3 years going up drastically at the end of the month. Or you can hop into a lifetime payment plan. But either way, we got a lot of value in those upper tiers for you guys if you do want to hop in and get a little bit more info every single week. They asked how they can trade better. Rob, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's get him in. Let's get him in, dude. I mean, again, we're here to help people like every step of the way. No, PPI was good. That's the thing. PPI was like good. You knew about SBNY for only a month or so. Girlfriends are good to have. There you go, Wreck-It Ralph. Hit the like button, freeloaders. Dude, we're 12 away from 150. Here we go. Let's see. Three minutes. Here we go. Oh, this is getting interesting. Dollars ripping. All right, let's see. This is gonna get spicy. Oh, dude, you guys are going crazy on the like button this morning. Thank you, team. I appreciate that. Again, guys, everybody, remember, you get over 90% off your first month to the platform. Make sure you guys hop in there before it's too late. QR code on the screen, link at the top of the live chat using code Print City. You guys are welcome. Welcome to join us in Print City. SPY trying to get above this 1 minute 200 here. Where's this on the? Where's the 5 minute 13? Oh, it's way above it now. You got a 5 minute traffic light up. Oh, that's interesting. I mean, I was looking at this 388. I think there was a better level on the 5 minute here. Yeah, 387.05. That was the one I was looking at. Tesla pop. Tessie could be really spicy today. This is on the 5. I want to throw this back on the 1. I want Nancy on the 1. TLT, I want on the 5. Cool. Let's see. 2 minutes. Meta. Yeah, I was looking at Facebook. I was actually really interested in Facebook two weeks ago. Ditched it though. Let's see. Tessie up or down. Guys, traffic lights. Just follow the damn traffic lights. That's what they're there for. Don't overcomplicate anything. And so why Rita is able to have so much success, guys. She doesn't, it keeps it simple. It nails it in, out, done. What would Rita do? Oh, we got 30 seconds to go until open. Here we go. 8 payments left, a lifetime payment plan. There you guys go. Again, make sure you guys reach out to Diane if you do want to upgrade. Either lifetime payment plan, 10 months of paying, and then you are all good forever, and you get delayed master classes. So again, that one or the 3-year, both really, really solid value in those upper tiers. But again, I mean, you guys have seen the people say it. You don't have to take it from me. I'm the one saying the information in those videos with Gabe. 387.08. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Well, it's 387.05 on the. It's like the low before the rip yesterday. So it's yesterday's day low. No. All right. Is that the ding ding? Yeah, market's open. Ding ding ding. Market open. Here we go, team. Tessie looking spicy. 1 minute's a little cooked on Tesla here. Up 34% on the account already. There you go. This is getting interesting here. Where's Nancy? Nancy kind of doing what Nancy does in the pre-market here. SPY teetering. Let's see. SPY premiums are jacked. Okay, that's interesting. Nancy slipping down to that 1 minute 200. SPY looking like it wants to head up. Ooh, Nancy fucking around here, huh? Took 97% on an overnight TLT call, LFG. At a fucking boy. There you go. SPY little retest here. Nancy's looking a bit interesting on this. You got 238.75 right here that you could fuck with. SPY back down a little. Let's see. Quick scalp, 1.2% on the port for IWM. There you go. Nancy wicked here a little bit. Nothing. Here comes SPY a little. Amazon looking. I mean, a lot of things are looking okay. You're just waiting for the potential big moves to happen in the morning here. Oh shit. These went up a lot. See, SPY turning higher. Tessie not really doing it yet. Nancy trying. Let's see what happens here. Damn, they're being nice on these fills this morning. Jesus Christ. I don't know what it is, but Weeble's being very nice on these fills. That's like 3 times in a row where I feel like I shouldn't have gotten filled on something, and then it does. And I'm like, okay, thanks, I guess. Like, all right, this is a bit weird. So I'm gonna do a little. What the fuck is it doing here? Yeah, this is weird. SPY Shark. Let's see. What did I take? I'm not telling you. I'm still in it. What is this nonsense? Facebook run it again? Well, that's interesting. I mean, I locked in a lot on that. That's a bit nuts there. Oh, these are hold on. Let's see. Just asking for the why to learn. I'll tell you after I'm done with it. I'll tell you after I'm done with it. Let's see. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with these algos over here. Tessie looks a bit interesting here. I mean, it never got a traffic light down. Spy slipping. Nancy slipping a little. Credit speed's looking to fall. It's already down like 30%, bro. Relax. Relax. Cool. Yeah, I'm chilling on that. All right, cool. Apple can't hold. A lot of these things can't hold. Oh, fuck you, Nvidia. So I was in Nvidia. I scalped Nvidia off the 200 here. This I didn't like, so I just ditched it. I already nailed it up here though. Got like the best fill of all time. Like, all right, guys. Let's see. What are we getting here? Where's Tessie? Tessie trying to get a little action here. It's kind of flatline, dude. Yeah, it couldn't break. Am I hitting any? No, I'm not touching any of the banks. The premiums are going to be so fucked up on those things. I'm not going anywhere near those. Where's this thing? Oh, hello. Spy flicker. Let's see. No, the premium on the banks is going to be absolutely ridiculous, guys. So, all right, let's see. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. Where's TLT? Yeah, TLT slipped a little bit here. I mean, this is on the 5-minute. Everything else is on the 1. Weeble alert's no longer lagging. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. I'm up like 1.5% on the account right now. That's not bad. 2 banks halted already. Right. Well, if they're halting, I mean, the chains are going to be so blasted, dude. Like the chains are going to get so blasted. It's not worth me touching them. I just would rather play the indexes. Nancy looks like it's slipping a little here. Where's Tessie? It's holding on. No traffic light though. Spy just kind of teetering at this 1-minute 200 here. Wait, how did that happen? Oh, that's bullshit. SPY premiums seem kind of jacked up. Let me look at them. I haven't looked at them yet. Oh yeah, they're fucked. SPY premiums are wild. These SPY premiums are wild, dude. Nancy hunting a traffic light down, but it's not holding it. SPY just kind of melting up right now. This thing's trying. Let's see. You're just right at this resistance here. There it goes. There's a little breach. SPY moving a little bit there. Tesla fighting with the daily 48. Okay, that's a good call there. Is it? Where's the daily? What price is that? Wasn't it fighting that the other day too? It's above it right now. Let's see if SPY can turn and burn here. Nancy did get that traffic light down. Let's see if it's going to traffic light back up. Let's see. SPY's holding here. Where's Tessie? Okay. If the SPY breaks, what's the next level up? I mean, you broke this 387.05 level here. Where's the next one? Where would the next one be? 387.71. That's kind of what you're looking at here. Yeah, 387.72. SPY slipping. HD, why are you guys so amped up on HD today? Yeah, it's ripping. I mean, it's getting that nice little move from the low. You got this traffic light risk at the 48. You nailed it at 283.50. You write it $2 up. Bing, bang, boom, done. Oh, the SPY tapped the 5-minute 200? Oh, that's up. That's way up here, though. 388.50. Hmm. Portfolio's up 19% for the day. There you go, buddy. There you go. This thing's getting jumpy. Let's see. That's a new 5-minute candle on the SPY. Hold on. Wow, that filled just now? Holy shit. I don't know what they are being really nice to me on these fills today, bro. I don't know what the deal is today, but I am getting some of the most disgusting fills that I have ever seen. I don't know how that happened, but it did. So I'm fine with that, bro. Let's give me that. Like I just set a limit order up there. I didn't think that was gonna hit. It shouldn't have hit. What the fuck? Tessie coming down, Spy holding on the one was probably looking shitty here. Yeah. Omnibus, baby? I guess so, bro. I guess so. I'm up 2% right now. That's not bad. Thanks for your patience the other day with that caller. You're a real human. No problem, guys. Sorry. I just saw a video that I didn't record it, but I saw it the other day. It was a TikTok. So funny, bro. I'm not sharing it with you guys because you guys are gonna all hate me. But it's fucking hilarious. Let's see. All right, guys, keep slapping that like button on the way in. And remember, everybody's got access to over 90% off their first month to the platform. QR code is on the screen right here. And I will throw you guys the link in the live chat. Here we go. There you guys go right there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hi. Hi. Hello. Good afternoon. I gotta throw a stop on this. They're fucking around too much. They're fucking around too much with this thing. I thought I was breaking first, but you guys were right not to jump to conclusions. Yeah, you never want to do that. Oh, see, I feel like they could give me a terrible fill on this. Hold on. Let's see. They fill me on this yet? They're gonna give me my money back. Let's see. Where's NVIDIA? I don't like that. Okay. AMD. Where's AMD? Oh, nice little movement there on AMD. Yeah, I nailed these moves today. That was pretty nice. I had some open swings that I just scaled out of, and they're killing it. So we'll see what happens here. I'm up 3.5% now in the account. Thank you, team. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Simple as that. Some of those were 4-hour traffic lights too. Those were dirty. Spy slipping here. Nancy getting killed. JP Morgan breaking the lows. Yeah, I'm not touching any of the banks. The premiums are just going to be too crazy. 1.41% on the port, waiting for data. There's data at 10. What's the data at 10? Business inventories home builders survey. Okay, that's interesting. That's interesting. Yeah, I'm happy I threw a stop on this thing. We'll see where it goes. They're up like 18%. They were up 30 and I scaled out there. We keep it simple for you guys, man. Super, super, super. I feel like this stop is going to get murdered. I have a feeling that this way on the stop is going to get booty clapped. So I'm going to try and do some fancy shit here. And see if I can steal money. You know, that's what I do around here. Boom. Fill me. Order filled. Thank you. Fancy shit works again. It wasn't actually fancy. I'm just taking more money off the table. Because that was a big one. Yep. See, that's not filling. I knew this was going to happen. Yeah. Yeah. Now it's gone. Dude. Okay. So these spreads were pretty wide. So what I saw is where my stop was versus where the average is. If it hits the stop, I'm going to get filled way lower. So I was like, well, I don't want that. So then I just skipped. So basically I scaled out half initially. Then I scaled out another half. And then that was the one where I was like, probably don't want to do this. Can I remove the promo code? For a second, yeah. You don't need to see it. You're just missing 80x. Spy right back to hello, Spy. Nancy, great traffic light down. It's just Wick City on that thing. Where's this? Holding your January 24 AMC put still it goes bankrupt. There you go, Wreck-It Ralph. Good luck with that one, buddy. This is super annoying, probably because you quit nicotine. Don't be a quitter. Fuck is wrong with? Oh, that's the 5-minute 13 there. I'm just kidding. You probably should quit that, depending on how it's getting into your body. Let's see. Yeah, remember, guys, we do have that special stream for all of you lifetimes in 3 years coming up tonight. So make sure you guys hop in there before it is too late. Let's see. What's this? 69? You're just right at this fucking 1 minute 200, dude. Let's see what happens at this 1 minute 200. Order filled. Thank you. Nah, it doesn't like that there. What news are we getting today at 10? Was it home builders and business inventory? I don't think that's going to move things around all that much. Ooh, here we go. Closing candle down below this 1 minute 200. Let's see how spicy this fucker wants to get here. Wait, what? No, 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 no. Don't fuck me on this. Thank you. Cool. There we go. Hold on, I gotta throw a stop and profit on this and then just let the thing go. What's my average on this? Okay, cool. Ooh, that's not what we want. That's what I want right here. Boom. Nice. Nailed this little traffic light here. Up 19% on these. Already scaled out of most of it. Have a stop and profit. Turn off the phone. Let it go. See? Easy. Easy. Don't have to do anything else now. I just let the thing go. Now it wants to die. Awesome. Amazing. Fucking kill it. I don't care. Or rip it. Who gives a shit? I already made my money. Bob the Builder. Gotta love the good old stop loss strategy on a traffic light. Now I'm up 26%, 25%. Woohoo! You guys see how easy this is off the traffic lights? Boom. Traffic light, retest, death. Again, guys, here's the link to hop in with us. That trade right there would have just paid for your entire month. Could have just paid for your entire year. There you guys go right there. Use code Prince City and hop in and join the winning team. Bank reversion plays. The only thing that I would do on it is shares. I'm not touching options on them. They're going to be jacked. But how do you know it's going to move like that? Because the lights aren't agreeing because 1, 2, 3, and 5 are indicating a downward direction. They aren't indicating a downward direction, but the play still worked out very well. I mean, my risk was this. 386.75. That's what I used as my risk here. So I had tight risk on it. So yeah, it's right at this 200. And I was like, don't really like that. But if I'm going to have super tight risk right up to here on a break of this, that's fine. Risk reward can easily break down and move down to this. So it's basically like if you were to draw it out. How do we do this? Is it this one? Short. So it was basically like this. This was basically the risk reward on this thing. So it was like that's effectively what I was looking at, like almost 4-to-1. I don't look at it like that most of the time, but that's effectively what that was. Finally became an ambassador, hoping your buddies sign up with your link. There you go. Let me approve you. Let me approve you. Oh, I think I've already approved you. SPY 1 minute traffic light down. Stop just hit 2.61% on the day. Thanks, STV. Attaboy, Sam Lee. Monster. Oh, they sold me out in profit. Oh no, whatever am I going to do now? So easy, guys. Like, come on now. Go. Whoa, realized gains on the day are getting up there. I like that. 10 or 5% of the port with the Tesla yellow traffic light down was pretty sexy with the retest. There you go. Oh, shucks. What am I going to do? It gave me more free money. So simple, guys. And you could hit this in video one here. This would have freaked me the fuck out. This is why I didn't trade it. This is all these wicks over here. I hate the wicks on Nancy. All right, guys, let's see. What are we gonna get to do? So I have not missed today. That's always a good sign. It's always fun when you don't miss. SV up 5% on the port with 2 trades before 10. Atta boy. PPI came out good. Yeah, it did. It doesn't mean the market has to react possibly to it, though. Okay, remember what we were talking about in the pre-market? Nancy coming down to this level here? SPY. Come on, die a little more, Nancy. I want to see you do this. Oh, we got our data. Business inventories minus 0.1%. Expected 0. Up 10% on the port, and now time to kick with your fam for spring break. Have a great day, Jesus, I can't read. Have a good day, you D-gens. Give my best to the lifetimers, James. See? Fucking, I knew it. It was close enough. They came right down to this level and just bing. SPY up a little. I don't know. It still could come back down and hit it. That would have been nasty there. All right, guys. Dude, we're almost at 200 likes for the day. Thank you, team. I appreciate that. 16 away. Keep running those numbers up. Tessie. Tessie, what are you going to do here, pal? Tessie, what are you going to do? Let's see. DraftKings got the traffic light on the daily. Very nice. Put in reverse. You guys are mean. Tessie's trying to get a traffic light here. It's not really getting there yet, though. SPY's trying to move back up a little. Let's see. Let's see if he can blast through. There it goes. Dude, they're being so nice with these fills today. Holy shit. All right. I'm up 10% on Tesla. Gonna throw a stop and profit here and just let the fucker go. Now I'm up. Wow, I'm up a lot on this. Jesus, guys. It's nice being fucking nasty at this. It's pretty nice. I like doing this with you guys. Very fun. We just sit here and print money in the market off the traffic lights. You guys see how fucking easy this is? So here's what I did on Tesla here. All I saw was coming up consolidation, break above the 200 EMA, RSI breaking above its moving average here, and I just nailed it with a traffic light incoming. Now my risk was a closing candle back down below this 200. I've already scaled out. I have a stop and profit. It can do whatever it wants at this point. I'm up 14%, up 15% on this, dude. In modest too? Oh no, I don't care. At this point, we don't need to be modest, bro. We can talk our shit when we're good at this. Go, Tessie! Where's Nancy? That fucking bounce on Nancy that I wanted. Now I'm up 20%, 22%. Jesus Christ. All right. I don't want this anymore. Actually, I do. I just want to move the stop up. Really high. Like, really high. You're not going to film me on this, you asshole? Yeah, there we go. There we go. So incoming, you hit it on the flash of the traffic light. I was actually in on this candle. Do we know why? All you masterclass people, do you know why I took that? Why did I take that? RSI break. MACD showing it's trying to come up. You got the ADX flatlining a little bit here. Easy. Nice little 20% scalp. Hold on. Hold your horses. Oh, there goes the SPY move. Oh, there you go. Another nasty SPY 1 minute traffic light there. It's the same trade. It's literally RSI break above the 200 EMA. It's literally the exact identical trade as the Tesla one. Oh, where's TLT? Is TLT getting murdered? No, TLT's up. Interesting. This is great. Nancy Hunton. I have so much settled cash left. Jesus. Maybe I should just stop today and just be done. I feel like that's what we should do. Up 4% on the day now. Just letting you guys know. Again, guys, make sure you guys are hopping in there. 90% off your first month. I'm teaching you guys how to fish. 22% on the port today. Oh, you fucking made put my gains to shame. Jesus, guys. Jesus. There you go. Entire market's mismatching. Yeah, a little bit. And I gemmed that Tesla sell for now. I mean, you give me, can I review my trade from Dancy on earlier? The one to the upside? I mean, it was kind of the same thing that I took earlier. It was literally just traffic light at open, consolidation at the 200 EMA. 200 EMA is my risk, scale out up here, and then it started to flicker, and I ended up selling the rest of it like right on this break of the 200 because I didn't like it. I didn't make very much on that trade. The scale out was really good, and then it kind of teetered down a little bit here, but I didn't like this. So I got out. Again, guys, this is why we have to have super, super tight risk management, because what happens next? Traffic light down to Knife City. So I caught this little baby move up. I mean, I could have hit this move down. I don't like the wicks on Nancy. I love fishing. Me too, bro. It's fun. I love making money with you guys. It's the best. We make it so simple too. Don't get led to the slaughter by these other idiots that are trying to overcomplicate it in your guys' heads. I mean, I'm telling you, I'm sitting here just literally but it's like shooting fish in a barrel, bro, with the traffic lights. I want to look. Where's this at now? Wow. I fucking nailed this sell too. Jesus, guys. I'm just having a day today. Why did the wick scare you? The wick scare me because you're going to be in this trade and it's going to basically flash at you that you should be getting out even though you don't need to. So if you have a stop set, you're getting hit. Thoughts on Google? Let's take a look. Ooh. I thought on the 5-minute. How's this look on the 1? It's just kind of flickering around. Steph Curry type of day? Well, I top ticked Tesla, I top ticked Nvidia, and I also top ticked this. So, I mean, I've just been top taking today, which is, I mean, it happens sometimes. But all I'm doing in order to top tick it is just using the things that I'm teaching you guys. So, like this Tesla one right here, when this thing ripped up like this, I had already scaled out, and then I was up 20 something percent. But where were we? Resistance. So you know what I did? Sold it. I don't give a shit if it continues running. Yeah, I could have left the stop there, but I don't care. Give me my 20% and I'm leaving. Now SPY's fizzling back down. Now I'm top take Tesla. I mean, I'm probably going to get upset about it later when it fucking skyrockets for some reason, which I don't know if it's going to. I have no idea. But at the same time, it's like when you see it hit a level like that, what do you think you should do? I didn't even sell it. I just moved a stop way the fuck up. I was like, if it hits, it hits. If it doesn't and it just keeps ripping, great. But I was like, give me my money back. Told him, bring me my money. Don't you know, pump it up. Is it possible to set up traffic alerts? You already have them. 1 minute, 3 minute, and 5 minute are coming to all of you guys that aren't in lifetime and 3-year in like a week and a half. Lifetime and 3-year already has it. So again, guys, make sure you guys reach out to Diana if you guys do want to upgrade to 3-year. Because again, you get beta access to all the new products that we're giving you. You get these extra live streams. Gabe was just live with everybody in the morning. I'm going to be doing that night live stream for you guys tonight with swings. We're going to go over TLT as well. So make sure you guys are ready for that. You get all of the live master classes. Again, you want to upgrade before the price drastically increases by the end of the month, just reach out to Diana and she'll help you out. Or if you want lifetime payment plan, that's still a nasty one too. Yeah, I'm probably done for a while on this. I still have like swings cooking, so my account's going to flicker around a little bit, but I don't really give a shit. Gabe's class was awesome. Yeah, guys. I mean, again, we're trying to give you guys the most value possible. And again, if you want to upgrade, reach out to Diana. I mean, what do you expect at this point? Obviously, Gabe's class is going to be awesome. The dude's a monster. Knocked a 30% on ES futures with Gabe. There you go, buddy. There you go. The options don't update after unless you're forcing a refresh. I've seen that happen before, though, and I just usually chalk that up to my phone being old. Back from Gabe. Great class this morning. Awesome, guys. I love to see that. Yeah, again, just reach out to Diana. She'll help you upgrade, and you guys get access to everything. And it's the best bang for your buck tier now, too. If you wait until next month, it will no longer be. The price is drastically increasing on the 3-year. SPY, big candle. Another flash of that 200. All right, hold on. Here's what we're going to do. Hold on. Hold on. I'm going to send out a tweet quick, which is going to be fun. Ooh, SPY's starting to slip. All right, 1 second here. Is there a lifetime payment plan going up too? Not right now. It's not. Probably will in the future, though. All right, guys. 3. All right, we're going to do the tweet thing again. We haven't done this in a while. We're about to do the tweet thing. Ready? Everybody get ready. I want to see all those retweets, comments. I want to see you guys posting your gains under this tweet too. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. All right, let me grab the link to that tweet. I will throw it in here for you guys as well. Hold your horses. Let me grab it really quick. All right, guys. Here you guys go. Let me grab the link to the tweet. Here you guys go. Go drop a like on that tweet, guys. Retweet it and make sure that you guys post some of your gains down below there too. Let the people know who the kings are of this market. Trade 1348 gang for the win. Kiffers plays 67%. Again, make sure you guys are posting those gains under their team. Woo! There we go. Link to that tweet is there. Let's get after it. Ooh, Spy is slipping a little bit here too. Hello. Good afternoon. Ah, I might have missed it there. There's that tweet. Make sure you guys go run that one up. Here we go, team. Holy shit, Eli. There you guys go. Oh, we haven't done the tweet thing in a while. There we go, everybody. Woo! You guys are killing it, dude. Didn't feel you. You can always wait for a retest. It's retesting right here. I mean, it hasn't even closed down below here yet, so careful. It also has not confirmed a traffic light yet either. See? It's not. Yeah, that's not the one. Oh, guys, keep going crazy on that tweet over there. Oh, I love you guys. Keep running it up. Keep posting your gains under that tweet. I sent the link in here. Let the people on Twitter know, man, who's actually killing it over here versus all these morons out there that are just like, oh, follow my trades. Where's Tessie? Okay, where's Nancy? Nancy's still fucking around. Oh, Nancy wicked the level. 24% on a GME put. There you go. Holy shit, Richard. 43% P&L? Holy fuck. Why are we seeing increased volatility right now? Did something come out? These candles are pretty big. TLT looks like it wants to come down. I mean, I would assume it will. All right, there's that confirmation candle. Yeah, I don't like this one. I mean, it could be really good. It looks like it could make a clean volatile move down. I just kind of want to burn it. Oh, skid mark at a boy. Yeah, this one I'm not a big fan of. Just because of that, this right here, these big buys coming in, I don't really like that. That doesn't really scream, yay. We're all printing over here. We are, bro. What do they think we're doing? Your business inventory and home builders at 10. Yeah, but like we just saw this at like now. Like that's a delay. That would be a way delayed reaction from it. Yeah, you're not the only one having an issue with Webull orders. You're right back at this level here too. Aladdin woke up late. Guys, Aladdin's not what you think it is. Yeah, I'm probably going to burn this for a while. Maybe I'll take some trades in the afternoon, but I'm probably going to burn this one. All right, guys, let's see. I'll throw that link to the tweet in here one last time for you guys so that you guys have it. There you guys go. Make sure that if you guys do want to post your gains, throw it under the link to that tweet right there. Go drop a like, retweet on that tweet, man. I mean, we are slaughtering it with these traffic lights, dude. Show the people, spread the word, the gospel of Trade 1348. Here we go, dude. AMC down 8%. Yeah, it's not like I didn't fucking tell everybody that this thing is not a good idea. People just still don't want to listen. Sucks to suck. Your sitting buy orders on Webull weren't filling at all. Had to cancel an active buy. Like market order? That's weird. I've gotten a lot of my orders filled today, and they've been like really good fills. Yeah, I'm up like 4.2 now. It's just the swings kicking around at this point. It's just like flickering back and forth. It's fine. It's just doing what it's got to do. Oh, I love seeing all your gains under this tweet, dude. That is fucking cool. Congratulations, everybody that's making money with us. And again, the link to join for 90% off your first month is right here. Here you guys go. That's the link that really matters for you. Ooh, got to take my multivitamins. Forgot about that. Let's see. Yeah, spy right back down. Tessie, what do you want to do? Pepe says, hit the like button, slackers. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Yeah, guys, make sure you're following me on Twitter. Go run up that tweet. Dude, fucking killing it over here, man. You feel like you should get Twitter? I mean, you're basically going to want to like bash your face against the wall most of the time because you're going to see what these like market participants are actually thinking. And it's usually the dumbest shit I've ever heard in my entire life. But if you're fine with dealing with that, go for it. Continually refreshing positions in Webull, but killing it with the traffic lights and levels. I love it, dude. I love it, man. You guys are killing it. M4MG, I'm not touching banks. Sorry, I'm not going anywhere near the banks. You cannot convince me to go for the banks. Is that what FHN is? First Horizon, I'm not touching banks, bro. The IV on them is going to be so incredibly stupid. I don't want to touch it. See, we're just in Chop City here after the nice clean moves in the morning. I don't want to touch any of this right now. Wells Fargo's been great though. Yeah, it could have been, but at the same time, when you're overpaying for stuff, I don't want it. Oh, shares? That's fine. That's fine. I mean, you can do what you want with shares. I would just be careful. Like this situation is not over. Spy losing steam on the 3. Yeah, it's about to get that traffic light there. Twitter seems like it would add too much stupid input into your brain. Yeah, it does. I mean, the things that I see on Twitter most of the time are just idiotic, but it's okay. I mean, VXX calls a couple weeks ago. They're up. I don't trade VXX either. That thing's broken. We've been over that a few times before. Is there any Fed speaker coming up minutes? No. I mean, we got the notice of the emergency meeting Tuesday night, which is yesterday or Wednesday, Monday afternoon. It didn't really do all that much. I don't like really what I'm seeing here unless I was just going to quick scalp it. So I'll take my up over 4% for now and see what happens later. Maybe hit some giant moves coming down like we did, like these traffic lights yesterday. These big ones, maybe. So wait on those, see what happens. Hold on. Posting something on Instagram here too. Make sure you guys are following me over there. It's the same handle as Twitter, short the VIX1. Let's see. SPY did get a traffic light. You can use the 200, 386.10 as your risk level there. You've got downside to 385. It's not bad. It's just this thing could easily just go whoop right back up. So just be careful. Crude inventory data in 2 minutes. Yeah, that could definitely move shit around. You've been cucking yourself lately with options, but crushing it with shares. There you go. Stick to shares then. This 3 minute should be getting one. Yeah, 3 minutes got a traffic light right here. See on the genie, it's telling you. Think you'll call it a day. Weeble refresh. I'm worried your fill will be horrible. Yeah, I mean, if you're up for the day, guys, I mean, fuck. See, dude, I don't like this price action. I do not like this price action. It's all bullshit. This is all chopped nonsense. It's getting really, really volatile on the. It's bait and switching everybody again. I don't want to touch this. See, there's certain things that you'll be able to see. I mean, we saw this yesterday too with the bait and switches, where I was like, yeah, no, I'm not taking puts. And I just basically nailed these calls here, scaled out. I actually held through this too, through the scale out, and then just rode it all the way up here to 393 after the 1, 2, 3 bait and switch. How was PPI data overall? Good. I mean, SPR going to be empty someday if oil does sell at 70. Yeah. I mean, they have to refill it. Ooh, guys, it is 10:29 in the morning. That is going to be wrapping up the morning stream for us. Hopefully you guys had some fun, learned some things. And again, guys, make sure that you guys are taking full advantage of over 90% off your first month in the platform using code Print City. You guys saw me nail over 4% on the account today. You saw all these other people nailing it. You saw everybody in the replies to that tweet I sent out printing. Why not you? So again, the link's right there. And for all of you existing members, if you do want to join up to the 3-year before the prices drastically increase at the end of the month and get my special live stream today that I'm doing for you guys at 6 p.m. Eastern, reach out to Diana. She will help you upgrade. But team, that's going to wrap it up for today. Hit that like button on the way out. Make sure you guys are following me on Twitter and Instagram and all that nonsense. Other than that, guys, I will see you guys over on Gabe's live stream. Peace.